अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। तो आज आपके साथ मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ एवरीडे साइंस के बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट और रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज को। तो गाइज आप लोगों ने वीडियो के अंत तक मेरे साथ बने रहना है, और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना है। रेनफॉल रिलेटेड टू माउंटेन्स इज orographic rainfall. The virus of AIDS affects the growth of T cells in blood. The protein content of edible portion of egg is 13.3%. Types of bones in human body are long, short, irregular, and flat. The species that flower are called angiosperms. Which one of the following is not a unit of distance? Foot candle. Bamboo is a grass. International deadline passes through which strait? Bering Strait. Sun is divided into dash main layers, 3 layers. The major ingredient of leather is collagen. Cause of malaria is mosquito. Growth is provided by protein. Density of ice is 917 kg. A body of land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides is called peninsula. Which stone floats on water? Pumice stone. Which blood cells are called soldiers of the body? White blood cells. In human, osmoregulation takes place by kidney. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Bromine. Which one is natural satellite? Moon. Iodized salts contain the iodine salt of which metal? Potassium. Which is the warmest ocean? Indian Ocean. First atomic theory was proposed by John Dalton. Through which organ does a fish respire? Gills. In the treatment of which disease is dialysis used? Kidney failure. The sounds of which frequency are human beings most sensitive? 5000 Hz. Cotton is grown on black soil. Nepology is study of clouds. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium. The brain of human adult weighs about 1200 to 1300 grams. Rearing of honeybees for honey production is called apiculture. So thank you so much guys. तो बहुत जल्द मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।